Get ready for an exhilarating trip through the most recent developments in the electric vehicle and Tesla sectors. From the much-awaited Gigafactory in Mexico to Tesla's Tango with Chinese rivals and a groundbreaking relationship with Mercedes-Benz, we have every turn and twist planned for you. It's not because of a bureaucratic roadblock in Mexico that Tesla can't begin building, so don't panic. They are ready to take on any challenge as they try to find a balance between cooperation and competition, as evidenced by their meticulous planning and shrewd communication with Chinese partners. Due to fierce competition, 16 auto manufacturers in China unintentionally joined together. A subtle provision could throw their arrangements into a loop. There's still more thrills ahead. By implementing Tesla's North American charging standard, Mercedes-Benz takes a bold step that raises questions about the company's potential expansion into Europe. We can help you stay up to date with the quickly evolving EV scene. Put on your seatbelt and come along for the exciting trip. But first, do like and subscribe to our channel. This is Stock News for Tesla. Let's move forward now. The latest developments in the Tesla and electric vehicle industries are covered in this exhilarating roller coaster ride. So grab a seat, because this is going to get exciting. We have some interesting news from Mexico to start. The government of Nuevo Leon has at last granted Tesla's proposal to start construction on the highly anticipated Gigafactory. It seems that things are finally moving forward after a long wait. Since Tesla unveiled their plans on March 1st during their Investor Day event, everyone has been eagerly anticipating the appearance of this next amazing facility. Now that its position in northern Mexico has been determined, the announcement has generated a great deal of enthusiasm. However, hold on, folks. There seems to have been an issue at this massive venue. Based on confidential information that Tesla provided to its Chinese business associates, the company may not begin production until 2025. What's causing this hiccup, you ask? It's not Santa Catarina's surrounding arid desert. Note, as revealed by Governor Sam Garcia of Nuevo Leon, paperwork and bureaucracy are crucial. Building a large facility in an area where water conservation is crucial adds a layer of complication to any construction project, which already requires a binder full of permits. But worry not, Governor Garcia tells us that everything is underway and that the friendly local government is working tirelessly to secure all the necessary licenses. The problem with this is that Tesla hasn't had a chance to observe the local factors that can impede construction. Interesting, eh? To keep ahead of the curve, the company has so kept in close communication with its Chinese suppliers. They are keeping a careful eye on the permitting process. Do you remember the report that Milena published on July 7th? It becomes more juicy. Governor Garcia disclosed that Tesla is almost finished with the design of a new vehicle that it intends to produce at Giga Mexico. This suggests that Tesla has begun to plan every aspect of the company, including the production lines and software. Instead of building a factory, they're creating a creative symphony. According to the governor, Tesla's Giga Mexico project is about to accomplish an important new milestone. Their new vehicle type is presently nearing completion in terms of design, with meticulous attention to detail applied to every aspect, including production lines, software, and critical industrial infrastructure. The truly intriguing aspect is that, based on its meticulous planning, it seems like Tesla is aware that this project might take longer than expected. They have been carefully organizing how they will be implemented. As is typical with large-scale construction projects, getting all the permits and approvals required for a facility this size, Giga Mexico, may be a time-consuming process. It involves overseeing complex local laws, conducting environmental impact studies, and ensuring compliance, as we have already mentioned. As a result, Tesla's project managers are used to this approach. They have been thoroughly assessing the area, identifying potential obstacles, and organizing their strategy. Speaking of dancing, let's move on to talk about Tesla's Tango with its Chinese competitors. The electric vehicle EV market in China is growing, and during the past several months, Chinese and Tesla companies have been actively vying for market dominance. Local rivals adopted Tesla's cunning pricing techniques, leading to a disjointed pricing display. But hold on, things got intriguing when the participants decided to have a conversation. 16 automakers, including Tesla, collaborated to develop the recommendations. The China Automobile Manufacturers Association raised concerns about a certain word, believing it to violate anti-monopoly laws. There needs to be a healthy balance between antagonism and cooperation. When the Chinese dance floor settles, let's tackle Tesla's intriguing Giga Mexico proposal again. The new car's design is reportedly nearly complete, which suggests a significant amount of work has gone into it behind the scenes. Despite having to delay manufacturing until 2025, Tesla remains steadfast in their preparations and closely monitoring this mystery car. Customers and industry players alike were riveted to the exciting ballet of pricing battles unfolding in the heart of the vibrant Chinese EV battleground. Consumers benefited from lower prices during 4 exciting months, but the leading competitors felt the heat of fierce competition. But as the narrative developed, There was a thrilling twist in store. Unexpectedly, 16 Chinese automakers, including the well-known Tesla, assembled for a landmark conference aimed at bridging the gap between collaboration and competition. They made an effort to find common ground, cooperated to draft non-binding agreements, and dreamed of an environment where fair competition and smooth cooperation existed. Their work was centered on civic duty, and they pledged to defend socialist values and maintain a high standard of quality. However, like with any intricate dance, the nuances truly make the difference. The China Automobile Manufacturers Association, which is vigilant about errors, found a little mistake in the agreement's language. This wording, which appeared innocuous and was intended to promote fair competition, raised concerns about potential contradictions with stringent anti-monopoly laws. Presently, the auto industry is carefully balancing their need to stay united with their desire to avoid taking any monopolistic steps. The world is watching impatiently because everything is at stake. Can these powerful forces coordinate their activities and strike the right tempo to put up a united front? Will they become leaders in cooperative competition, deftly navigating the complexities? On the other hand, the luxury automaker Mercedes-Benz is the center of attention right now as they take the bold step of implementing Tesla's North American charging standard. This creative move signifies a unified front in the quest for a greener future and a significant shift in the availability of EV charging infrastructure. Imagine this: Mercedes drivers are cruising around effortlessly, finding Tesla charging outlets with a simple tap on their smartphones. This simple and practical experience encourages a greater uptake of electric vehicles. However, everyone's primary concern is whether the movement could spread to Europe. Will motorists in Europe eventually benefit from this one charging standard as well, on the other side of the Atlantic? Everyone is eager to see what the winds of change have in store. Adoption of the North American Charging Standard, or NACS, has seen an incredible push across North America. This standard, which is a veritable who's who of the industry, is being endorsed by prominent automakers like GM, Ford, and Mercedes-Benz. There is yet more to the story. Within the auto business, there are rumors that Volkswagen, a longtime rival, is also thinking about making a change. If confirmed, the addition of a well-known player to the NACS would signify a significant shift in the environment. Despite the unique challenges and greater difficulty in breaking into the European market, analysts remain optimistic. Many believe that NACS will soon overtake other options since it offers a superior charging experience. In the end, it's a fascinating puzzle to solve. The future of EV charging is evolving at a rapid rate, and the competition is fierce. Will NACS win out hands down both domestically and globally? Time will tell as producers, authorities, and customers collaborate to navigate this fascinating journey. We have a lot more questions and are becoming more curious about what the future holds for EVs after this exciting trip. Everything from Tesla's audacious maneuvers at Giga Mexico to the competitive dance in China's market exudes excitement. Will additional European automakers follow Mercedes-Benz's example and implement Tesla's charging standard? How will the European Union respond to this revolution in charging? The mystery surrounding Tesla's newest model has us captivated. What's the breakthrough invention under those sheets? We would like to know what you think about these questions. Tell us in the comments below.